Hey guys, welcome back to Benign Studios. Today we are going to talk about the Huawei's 5G foldable smartphone called Huawei Mate X. Let's get started. So, the Samsung announced their first foldable phone a few days ago, and now the Huawei. It comes with a single OLED screen which can be used as 3 displays. When folded, it offers a 6.6-inch display at the front and a 6.38-inch display at the back, which has some unique uses like you can see a preview of your portrait when someone else taking a shot or when taking a selfie. When unfolded, it has an 8-inch full view display without any distractions like the Samsung's camera cutout. It comes with a thickness of 5.4mm, which is thinner than an iPad Pro, and 11mm thickness when folded. On the back of the device, on one edge you will find all the camera modules, which gives a nice grip so you can use it one-handed when unfolded. It's available only in one color, which is Interstellar Blue. It's a 5G phone powered with Kirin 980 chipset, and it has a 4500 mAh battery. The Huawei Mate X comes with a 55-watt charger and can go from 0 to 85% in 30 minutes. It has the Emotion UI 9.1.1, which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. That's it for now guys, hope you enjoyed. Please like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to enable the bell icon to get future notifications. Thanks for watching.